Can the Shriram Life POS Assured Savings Plan secure your family's financial future with guaranteed payouts and life cover in the long term? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So now before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So Shriram Life POS Assured Savings Plan is a non-linked, non-participating life insurance individual savings plan. And you get key features like guaranteed life cover and benefits disclosed upfront, and you also have double coverage for accidental death under option 2, and you get flexible policy and premium payment terms along with life coverage available even without any medical test, and you also get enhanced maturity benefits for higher premiums up to 181%. So let us take a look at the benefits available under this policy. So there are two kinds of benefits. First is the death benefit, in which the policyholder's nominee or legal heir will get a death benefit if the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. So in this policy, there are two options for death benefit, and in both the options, it will differ based on death within the waiting period and death after the waiting period but during the policy term, and it will also differ due to accidental death or death due to other reasons. And if you want to know more about it in detail, definitely check out the policy brochure. Then we have maturity benefit. So maturity benefit is something the policyholder will get once the policy matures. So here your guaranteed maturity sum assured will be maturity benefit factor into your basic sum assured. So a basic sum assured refers to premium paying term into annualized premium. So these are the benefits available under this plan. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this policy. So the advantages are option 2 comes with a built-in accidental death benefit rider. You can avail tax benefits under section 80C and 1010D of the Income Tax Act. You can access loans against the policy of up to 80% of the surrender value. You also get guaranteed benefits which provide reliable financial security. Now, the disadvantages of this policy are the maximum sum assured under this policy is capped at 10 lakhs, which may be insufficient to meet a family's essential financial needs. The returns offered by this plan are relatively low. There are no loyalty additions for staying invested in the Shriram policy. So these are the advantages and disadvantages you need to carefully think about before deciding to invest in this policy. So now as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to analyze the returns of this policy using figures from the policy brochure to conduct an IRR analysis, which is the internal rate of return of this policy, to get an idea of what we will get at the end of the day in our hands as the returns to help us make an informed decision. So for instance, let us assume that a 33-year-old male opts for this plan with a sum assured of 2.5 lakhs. He selects a premium payment term of 8 years and a policy term of 15 years requiring an annual premium of 25,000. At the end of the policy term, the guaranteed maturity sum assured of 3.57 lakhs is paid as the maturity benefit. This results in an internal rate of return IRR of 5.11% as per the Shriram Life POS Assured Savings Plan maturity calculator. While the maturity benefit is guaranteed, the return rate is relatively low for a long-term investment. Such modest returns can make it challenging to build significant wealth. Additionally, this policy maximum sum assured is limited to 10 lakhs, which may fall short as a financial safety net. So thus, this plan does not provide us with a sufficient corpus or adequate coverage to effectively meet our financial responsibilities. So, as this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome we need, what we are going to do is we are going to separate the life cover and investment components from this policy, as this does not provide us, as both the components in the policy does not effectively serve as an investor's needs. We are going to see whether separating these elements will allow us for a clearer evaluation of the plan's value and a better understanding of potential returns by conducting a comparative analysis. So here what we are going to do is, the previous illustration of Shriram policy offers a life cover of 2.5 lakhs, which is definitely insufficient, because according to IRDAI guidelines, the minimum sum assured for a pure term policy is 5 lakhs. So based on this, we have analyzed the scenario with a 5 lakh life cover. Here for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 5 lakhs, which costs us an annual premium of 4,800 rupees for a 15-year policy term and a 5-year premium payment term. In the original example, the premium payment term was 8 years and we were paying a premium of 25,000. So in the initial 5 years, we can allocate the remaining 20,200 annually toward long-term investment, and in the following 3 years, we can use the entire 25,000 premium budget for the previous policy to be utilized for investment in this scenario. So depending on your risk profile, you can invest in debt or equity investment. For this analysis, we have selected the equity linked savings scheme ELSS option because it also has tax saving benefits. So the maturity value for the ELSS fund after 15 years is 6.55 lakhs after deducting capital gains tax. The post-tax maturity value stands at 6.10 lakhs, yielding a combined IRR of 9.97% post-tax. This comparison demonstrates that separating insurance and investment provides significantly higher returns. In contrast, this policy offers inadequate life insurance coverage and fails to deliver competitive investment return. So now what is the final verdict on Shriram policy? Is it worth investing or not? This is a traditional endowment policy where you pay premiums to receive guaranteed benefits at maturity along with life coverage. However, this plan neither provides adequate life cover nor offers competitive returns on investment. So for the long-term investor, the primary goal should be to achieve returns that outpace inflation, ensuring sufficient funds to meet the rising cost of financial goals. While the Shriram Life POS Assured Savings Plan guarantees savings benefit, it also falls short of delivering inflation adjusted return, and it also has a high agent commission. The primary drawback lies in its bundling of insurance and investment, which often leads to suboptimal outcome. A more effective approach is to opt for a pure term life insurance policy for adequate coverage and invest separately to achieve your financial goal. This strategy allows you to address both insurance and investment needs more effectively. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.